Did you know you can earn $1,000 a month in dividends without selling anything and without quitting your job? Yes, it's 100% possible. And today I'll show you exactly how to build a monthly paying dividend portfolio step by step, even if you're a beginner. First things first, building a dividend portfolio is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a long-term strategy. But the best part? Anyone can do it, even starting small. Let's set the goal. Earn $1,000 per month, which means $12,000 per year. If your portfolio yields around 4% annually, you'd need about $300,000 invested to reach that. That sounds like a lot, right? But don't worry, no one starts at the top. Let's break it down into 3 real-life phases. Phase 1, building the foundation. Start with fractional shares and dividend ETFs like SCHD, VYM, or JEPI. Invest what you can consistently. Even $50 or $100 a month adds up with time. Phase 2, reinvesting automatically. Every dividend you earn, reinvest it. Compound growth is the secret weapon. Phase 3, smart diversification. Don't put everything in one stock. Mix solid dividend stocks like Coca-Cola or Johnson & Johnson with REITs and monthly dividend ETFs. The earlier you start, the faster you'll get there. Waiting until you have more money is the biggest mistake. Time is your greatest ally. Consistency and reinvestment do the heavy lifting. A $1,000 per month dividend portfolio isn't a fantasy. It's a financial strategy. No bosses, no selling, no tricks. Just patience, planning, and smart investing. If you want to build real financial freedom, subscribe now. Every week I share simple, actionable strategies to help you earn more, invest smarter, and live on your terms.